So hello everyone. So in this video, we will talk about synthetic call. Synthetic call is a combination of buying the stock and simultaneously buying a put option is called a synthetic call. So you buy a stock and buy a put option. So this is called synthetic call. So let's try to understand with an example. Say for example, you bought a script of Reliance and the Reliance lot size is 505 and the current market price is as of today it's like 3227. Say for example you are buying 505 quantity, 505 shares, so your investment would be like nearly approximately 11 lakh 24,635 rupees. So now you buy the script because you think that the market is gonna go up, but there is a risk that anytime the market may fall, or you think that there may be a bad news coming in the future that will make the price fall. So to secure that, what you can do is you can buy a put side. So what we do is we find the nearest strike price to this current market price. Put side is like 2220. So that is 2220 P is currently trading at 62.15. The premium is 62.15. So your total investment for the premium, the insurance, like for the buying the put side is 31,385. So together totally your investment comes approximately 11,56,021 rupees, including buying the script and the buying the put side. So now let's look at the scenarios. So there's a scenario, first option. So the price may go up, stock price may increase. So what will happen in that time? So say for example, if your price increases around like 100 rupees from 2227 to 100 rupees. So how much it will be? So I've just calculated it here. So I'll just do this, okay? 2227 plus 100. So say for example, your current market price is 2327 and you have a 100 rupees profit. So your total profit will be adding the current market price with the total number of points multiplied by the lot size. So that is 11,75,135 rupees. So currently you have a total profit of 11,75,135. So if you want to look at the difference between your investment and the current profit, so you minus the investment minus the total profit, that comes around 50,500. So this is from buying a stock and you have already bought a P 2220 P also for around 62.15. You have paid a 62.15 premium, so that is around like 31,385. On the expiry day, okay, since the market is moving up, so this premium will start to decrease. So on the expiry day it may come to 0. So now what is your profit? How do we calculate the profit? You take the profit that you got from the long side, that is the stock, that is 50,500 minus your put side investment, 31,385. So right now your total profit is 19,114. So this is option 1. So at the end of the day, with a synthetic call option, your total profit is around 19,114. In an option 2, what if the price starts to fall? Say for example, same thing. What if like 100 points is falling down? So your points will be 2227 minus 100. So it is approximate nearly like 2127. Your current market price will be roughly around like 2127. So what will be your total profit or loss? Your investment is 11 lakh 24,635. But here, since the market is falling down, the stock price is falling down, you are losing 100 rupees. So how much you will lose? 100 into 505. Approximately you lose 50,500. That is what this one. So your total, the current total available balance will be somewhere around like 10 lakh 74,000, and you will lose 50,500 rupees. So on an expiry day, now since the market is falling down, so we will not wait till the expiry day. So once your target is hit, so we'll try to close the position. So considering, okay, like on an expiry day, uh, assume that like your market price is around fallen down around like 100 points. What will happen to the put side? Put side premium will start to increase. How much it will increase? Currently it is 62.15. Since we are buying the nearest uh, strike price, so which will be like at the in at the money. So as I said, like the at the money delta value will be 0.5. So now let's calculate 0.5 into 100 rupees, 100 points down. So you will get approximately 50 rupees profit to 50 into the lot size 505. So that becomes 25,250. From the stock side you have lost around 50,500, and from the put side you have gained 25,250, and your total profit or loss would be 50,500 minus 25,250, and your loss will be 25,250. Okay, so coming to the option 3, so there is no major move from upside or downside. In that case, what will happen? Your premium will go to 0, become 0. So in that case, your total loss will be 31,385. So in that case, what will happen? Your total investment is 11,000 11 lakh 24,635 minus 31,385. So you will lose minimum amount, so that is like 31,385. So your current available profit will be like 10 lakh 93,249 only. So synthetic call, when it can be used? So when you are bullish on the market, but if you see that, if you think or if you see that in a near term the price may start to fall down, maybe there is a correction. So say for example in an uptrend from a higher high to higher low, there is a higher high formed and the market is trying to go for a higher low. So at that time you can go for synthetic call without, you don't have to exit from the stock, but you can buy a put side, and once it stops the correction and starts going up, so that time you can exit from the put side, you get a profit from the put side and the market starts to move up. So then as the market starts to move up, you get a profit from the stock. So this is how you use the synthetic call. So we'll see the another few other strategies in the upcoming videos. Thank you.